Okay, today we will discuss or learn the topic hypolipidemic drug, or it is called as the anti-hyperlipidemic drug. Okay, these are the drugs which lower the lipid level and which are useful, especially in the serious disorder. Okay, especially in the serious disorder called as the this hypolipidemic agent. As the name suggests, these are the drugs which lower the level of lipids. Okay, and the lipoprotein in the blood called as the hypolipidemic agent. Okay, so simply these are the drug which lower the level of lipid and lipoprotein in the blood called as the hypolipidemic drugs. This drug is special attention because there is a prevent the cardiovascular disease, especially in the atherosclerosis. Okay, because atherosclerosis it is the risk factor for that of the various cardiovascular disorder. So in the hyperlipidemic individual, this drug lower the lipid level. Okay, and it prevent the cardiovascular diseases. Hence this is a very much important or attention to that of the hyperlipidemic agent. Before you start with this topic, you must understand the again basic. Okay, why there is a this atherosclerosis it is occur. Atherosclerosis occur in that of the vein. There is a plaque formation, it is occur due to deposition of that of the particular lipid. So these are the lipoprotein class. First it is the chylomicron. Okay, chy means it is the chylomicron. CHY remnant. Okay, second is the chylomicron remnant. VLDL. Okay, it is called as the very low density lipoprotein. IDL means it is the intermediate density lipoprotein. LDL low density lipoprotein, and SDL means high density lipoprotein. Okay, so these are the lipoprotein classes. And this is diameter. You can read the diameter. Now, what is the lipid content in that of the in the chylomicron? Triglyceride is more as compared to that of the chylomicron remnant. Okay, in the chylomicron remnant is more than that of the triglyceride. Okay, triglyceride. Okay, VLDL triglycerol it is more than of the CHE. Ideal CH is more than that of the triglycerol. LDL is contain the chylomicron remnant, and SDL is contain the phospholipid and the chylomicron remnant. Now, what are the sources of lipid? This is very important because after that you can understand that the this effect of that of the particular drug. Okay, so chylomicron it is obtained from diet. It is diet. VLDL it is source of lipid is from the liver. Ideal it is VLDL is converted into the ideal. LDL it is source of lipid is the intermediate density lipoprotein, and SDL it is the tissue and the cell membrane. Now, what is function of this chylomicron? It is the dietary triglyceride transport. It is function of that of the chylomicron. Function of chylomicron remain dietary cholesterol synthesis. Okay, VLDL endogenous cholesterol transport. VLDL transport of this chylomicron remnant and triglyceride to liver, which is source of the LDL. LDL transport of cholesterol to the tissue. Okay, this is again very important. And SDL it is the removal of cholesterol from the tissue, and hence it is called as SDL. It is the good lipid as compared to the SDL because of this. Okay, in the GPAT examination also this question it is asked. Okay, if you want to give the this treatment, you have to increase the level of SDL, and you have to decrease the level of LDL. Okay, why? Because this function SDL has a removal of cholesterol from the tissue, and LDL it transport cholesterol to the tissue, and you have to decrease this cholesterol level from tissue and the liver, and hence you have to decrease the LDL and you have to increase the SDL. Okay, so this is again very important because this function removal of cholesterol from tissue, you have to increase the level of SDL and you have to decrease the level of LDL. Okay, so this is the confusing, but you must understand that SDL you have to increase the level of the SDL because it is called as the good cholesterol, and SDL it is called as the bad cholesterol. Okay, understand? This is called as the characteristic and function of that of the lipoprotein. So you can understand that chylomicron remnant, VLDL, IDL, LDL, and the SDL. These are called as the lipoprotein classes. Now this is again the primary hyperlipidemia. You can be understand in that of the uses. Okay, because clearly see that uses in the type 1 type 2A, type 2B. Okay, so type 1, it is a familial lipoprotein lipid deficiency. Again, it is caused genetic. It is very rare, in which the chylomicron level it is increases. Again, cholesterol and triglyceride also level it is increases. Now class 2A, it is a familial hypercholesteremia, in which the LDL it is increases. Polygenic hypercholesteremia, it is a multifactorial commonest, and LDL level it is increases. Familial dis beta lipoproteinemia, it is again rare, ideal level it is increases. Hypertriglyceridemia, it is VLDL it is level it is increases. And familial combined hyperlipidemia, in VLDL and LDL it is increases. So why this hyperlipidemia type it is important? Because in the uses it is clearly say that it is using the familial lipoprotein lipase deficiency. Okay, this is the uses. Okay, because these are the type of disorder of this, because of absence, or it is mostly the genetic causes. Okay, now you see the classification. Okay, in the classification, it is a HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor. It is a lovastatin, simvastatin, pravostatin, atorvastatin, rovastatin, and the pivastatin. Harmless student, it is in the that of the blood chapter. Okay, it is the hypolipidemic agent. Lovastatin, simvastatin, pravostatin, atorvastatin, rosustatin, and the pivastatin. So it is called as the HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor. Second one is the bile acid sequestrant resins, cholestyramine, and the cholestypol. Again, this enzyme again important lipoprotein lipase activator. It is called as the PPARF activator. Okay, we will see the long form. This is the paroxysm proliferator activated receptor alpha activator. Fibrates. It is clopidogrel, gemiprozil, bezafibrate, and the fenofibrate. Lipopracid and triglyceride synthesis inhibitor, it is a nicotinic acid. And steroid absorption inhibitor, it is the ezetimibe. Okay, so this is called as the classification, in which the first today we'll discuss regarding the first two topics or first two classes of classification: HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor and the bile acid sequestrant. Okay, simply this enzyme this by the mechanism, the first drug, it is the HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor. We'll see first. Okay, this is introduced in the 1980. It is a class of most efficacious and best tolerated hypolipidic agent. What is mechanism? You can simply understand that it inhibits the cholesterol synthesis. This is the step in which the this 3 hydroxy 3 methyl glutaryl coenzyme A, HMG coenzyme A, is converted into the mevalonate by the enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase. Okay, so this HMG coenzyme A is converted into the mevalonate by the enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase. Now the drug inhibit this enzyme. Okay. Now drug this inhibit enzyme and inhibit this conversion of HMG coenzyme A into the mevalonate, which is the rate limiting step in the cholesterol synthesis. Rate limiting step means it is a very important step in the this cholesterol synthesis, and if you inhibit this enzyme, there is a this mevalonate cannot be synthesized, which is a rate limiting step in the cholesterol synthesis. So cholesterol synthesis it is inhibited by the enzyme this HMG coenzyme A reductase. Okay, so simply you can if the mechanism is as you can draw this or the this uh, point, and you have to simply write that this HMG coenzyme A is inhibited by this HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor drug inhibit this enzyme and inhibit the conversion of this HMG coenzyme into the mevalonate, and hence it inhibit the cholesterol synthesis. This result in the compensatory increase in the LDL receptor expression on the liver cell. Also, this again action, second action, it is the because of this, it also increase the LDL receptor expression in the liver cell and increase receptor mediated and uptake and catabolism of IDL and the LDL. Okay, again is mediated catabolism means breakdown of the intermediate density lipoprotein and the this low density lipoprotein. So again there is a breakdown of this, and again there is a decrease in level of IDL and the LDL, it is also occur. Okay, uses, it is effective in the secondary hypercholesteremia. Okay, it is also effective in the secondary hypercholesteremia. This question also I think asked because this enzyme activity, it is maximum at the midnight. Okay, this activity is maximum at the midnight. All statin are administered at bedtime to obtain the maximum effectiveness. Okay, all statin means this drug are given at the bedtime to obtain a maximum effectiveness. However, there is a long plasma T half. It is metabolized by the cytochrome 3A4 enzyme. Now, this is the first drug. It is the first clinically used statin, lipophilic, and orally active in the precursor lactone form called as the lovastatin. Okay, it is lipophilic and orally precursory. It is orally in the precursor lactone form. Absorption is incomplete. Fast metabolism. It is extensive. Simvastatin, it is a twice as potent as the lovastatin. It is more efficacious and greater rise in the SDL cholesterol has been noted with that of the simvastatin. Okay, so simply as compared to that of the lovastatin, it is twice potent as compared to that of the lovastatin. It is lipophilic and given in the lactone precursor form. Next, it is a pravastatin. It is hydrophilic. This is difference. Okay, it is hydrophilic and given in the active form. Okay, it is not a lipophilic and hence given it is in the active form, equipotent to that of the lovastatin. Cholesterol lowering effect, it is less as compared to that of the above drugs. Atorvastatin, the newer and most popular, more potent and appear at the highest SDL cholesterol lowering efficacy at the maximum dose of the 80 mg. So it is the newer and most popular statin drug called as the atorvastatin. Okay, there is a greater reduction in the triglyceride is noted. Adverse effect. Adverse effect are gastrointestinal complaint, headache are usually mild, rashes and sleep disturbances are uncommon. Monitoring of liver function, it is recommended because there is a rise in the serum transferase enzyme which causes the liver damage. It may be recommended that you have to monitor the liver function. Muscle ache, muscle pain, it is a commonest side effect. Okay, myopathy is only serious infection. Myopathy means muscle pain, called as the myopathy. Few faculty of fatalities of rhabdomyolysis are on record. Rhabdomyolysis means it is the breakdown of skeletal muscle due to the muscle injury. If there is a breakdown of skeletal muscle, the term it is called as the rhabdomyolysis due to that of the muscle injury. Okay, because this drug also has the when given in the combination, it may causes the drug interaction. Uses, it is a first stage drug for primary hyperlipidemia with raised LDL and total cholesterol level, with or without raised triglyceride level. Okay, so it is first stage drug for the primary hyperlipidemia as well as secondary hypercholesteremia. It is also used. Okay, so this is the first choice drug for primary hyperlipidemia and secondary hypercholesteremia. Okay, so simply in the first, you can clearly see that this drug decreases the cholesterol level. So it this drug decreases the cholesterol synthesis by inhibition of rate limiting this coenzyme A reductase enzyme, and hence what happen? LDL level it decreases, SDL level it is increases, and triglyceride level decreases. You have to decrease these two, LDL LDL and triglyceride level it decreases, and SDL level it is increases, which is important in that of the protection of that of the drug. Okay, so this is called as the mechanism of the first category of the drug. Bile, second category, it is the bile acid sequestrant called as the resin. Okay, as the name given, bile acid sequestrant. Okay, the drug are the cholestyramine and the cholestypol. These are the basic ion exchange resin. Okay, this called as the basic ion exchange resin supplied in the chloride form. Okay, these are supplied in that of the chloride form. They are neither digested nor absorbed in the gut. Okay, these are very important. These are neither digested nor absorbed in the gut. Bind bile acid in the intestine, interpret there the enterohepatic circulation. Okay, so simply you can understand that these are the drug basic ion exchange resin supplied in the chloride form. So due to that, this drug fecal excretion of bile acid, bile salt and cholesterol, okay, which absorb with the help of bile salt, it is increases. So it causes the excretion of the cholesterol from the body. Indirectly lead to hepatic metabolism of cholesterol to bile acid, and hence also cholesterol is removed and it is converted into the bile acid. More LDL receptor, it is excreted on the liver cell. There is a clearance of ideal LDL, and that of the VLDL, it is increases. Resins have shown to retard the atherosclerosis. It also causes the retard the atherosclerosis. It is not properly used clinically because it is unpalatable, inconvenient, and be given in the larger doses, and it causes the flatulence, other GIT symptoms, because and interfere with the absorption of many drugs, because it is a resin, and hence interfere with the absorption with the many drug, and a poor patient acceptability, and hence drug it is less compared to that of the first category of the drugs. So in the mechanism action, this drug decreases the bile acid absorption. Okay, if you can understand these three terms also in the, if you ask the mechanism, it decreases the bile acid excretion, it increases the hepatic conversion of cholesterol to the bile acid, and increases LDL receptor on the hepatocyte. Okay, these three actions are very important. So simply you can write, it decreases the bile acid absorption because of ion exchange resin. Okay, it exchange with that of the bile acid. Increases hepatic, म्हणजे लिव्हर मध्ये कन्वर्शन कोलेस्ट्रॉल टू बाइल ऍसिड इंक्रीज होत आहे, and increases the LDL receptor on hepatocyte, and due to that it decreases the LDL level, it is decreases, SDL level it is increases, but this what is difference in that two, this triglycerol, it is not affected. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the these two category of the drug. Okay, so this is the all about the first two category of the drug, hypolipidemic agent. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask now, or you can ask in the chat box. You must understand the basic. Okay, first because of this hypolipidemic agent, you must understand the this, what are the classes, what is their functions. In the you have to increase the SDL level, and you have to decrease the LDL level, you have to decrease the also cholesterol level. Okay, and you have to increase the SDL level in our body, and hence SDL, it is called as the good protein, and LDL, it is called as the bad protein, because its function, it causes removal of cholesterol from the tissue, and because of this function, it is because of this function, you have to increase the level of the SDL. Okay, read it again, and if you have any problem, you can ask. Okay, I will just scroll down, just read it. If you have any problem, you can ask the questions. So first you must understand the definition, then characteristic, types, it is important for that of the uses, because this causes the due of the genetic deficiency of enzyme. Okay, this is the classification in which today we see the two classification of the drug, HMG coenzyme inhibitor and the bile acid sequestrant. read the classification. Read the classification. This is the mechanism of action of the two category of the drugs. So simply, this drug decreases the cholesterol synthesis, and this drug decreases the bile acid absorption, and also convert the in the liver cholesterol to the bile acids. If you ask the mechanism, you can write this, okay? And you have to just inhibit this enzyme, and due to that, mevalonate cannot be synthesis, which is important step in the synthesis of that of the cholesterol. Okay. If you have any problem, you can ask the question now. It must be a two-way communication. If you have any problem, you can ask. Ask question now. चार वाजता यायचं. कोणाचं आहे? Sequestration means just like a removal. हो अजून संपायचं ना. क्वेश्चन्स विचारतो. Questions? No questions, sir. Sequestration means removal of these bile acids from the body. It is called as the bile acid sequestrant. Ion exchange regime. It is in the chloride form. Degree student. हॅलो. याचा अर्थ तर असा आहे की एक तर तुम्हाला सर्व समजलं, तर तुम्हाला काही समजलं नाही है ना. दोनपैकी एक करताय. हम्म. अवघड आहे. Okay, 5 minutes remaining. Those want to quit, those want to leave, they can leave now. The lecture will be end win remaining time, it is the 5 minutes. Okay, after the 5 minutes the lecture will be over. Those want to leave can leave now. Myopathy means just like it is a muscle injury. Myopathy means muscle pain. Yes, we have to, as the student, you have to revise. Okay, this I am not saying that you can understand all, but you have to revise in the heart. You have to remember. You have to remember, especially the classification. Yeah, simply myopathy means it is the muscle weakness. It may include the muscle stiffness. Okay, CYP3A inhibitor. It is the cytochrome 3A4 inhibitor. Okay, it is in the metabolism topics. So these are causes the drug interaction by inhibiting the these drugs. Okay, called as the CYP4 inhibitor. I think in the second year, PharmD, there is a metabolism chapter. CYP means it is the cytochrome. 3, it is the isoenzyme. A is the subfamily. And 4 is that of the subunit called as the cytochrome P. It is the important enzyme which metabolize the drug. and this inhibitor, this some drug inhibit this enzyme, and due to that increase the level of that of the another drug called this special in that of the drug interaction. Okay, we'll stop now.